Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Dave. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Redbubble, your gateway to making money online with print on demand. Now, if you've ever wondered how to sell your art, designs, or quirky ideas without worrying about inventory or complex setups, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Redbubble, even if you're a complete beginner. So, why should you consider selling on Redbubble? First off, Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform. That means you don't need a garage full of t-shirts or a warehouse of mugs to get started. Redbubble handles all the printing, shipping, and even customer service for you. All you need is some basic computer knowledge, a creative spark, and the internet. It's easy to get started, and you won't have to buy a single item upfront. Pretty sweet, right? Imagine this, you're sipping coffee in your PJs, you upload your designs to Redbubble, and the next thing you know, someone in another part of the world is buying your art on a t-shirt or a phone case. That's the magic of print on demand, and Redbubble makes it super simple. Now, let's talk about how you actually make money on Redbubble. Here's how it works. You create and upload a design, and Redbubble automatically places that design on a wide range of products over 50 different types, from t-shirts to mugs, phone cases, and even leggings. When someone buys one of these products, Redbubble prints it, ships it, and you get paid a royalty. It's a passive income stream, meaning you do the work once, and the sales can keep coming in. But, like anything good in life, there are a few catches. One small limitation to keep in mind is that Redbubble allows you to upload only 30 designs a day. This isn't a huge deal, but it means you'll need to pace yourself and maybe spread your uploads over a few days. Plus, it's a good idea to focus on quality over quantity. Now, what's the potential for beginners? Well, you can start small. Maybe aim to upload a couple of designs each day. Think about it. In just a month, you could have around 60 designs up for sale. The key is to focus on creating high-quality designs in niches that are in demand but with less competition. The fewer competitors you have, the more your designs will stand out. Remember, one high-quality design can be placed on over 50 different products. That's like casting a wide net in the ocean of online sales. And who knows, your design could be the next big hit. Alright, now let's roll up our sleeves and set up your Redbubble shop. It's super easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, head over to redbubble.com. Once you're there, click on the sign up link in the top right corner of the page and select Artist Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address and choose a shop name. Here's a quick tip. Your shop name can only include letters, numbers, and hyphens, no spaces. It should be between 4 and 15 characters long, and the first character can't be a hyphen. Next, create a password. It needs to be at least 8 characters long with no spaces. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which is where the real fun begins. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your shop's profile. For your profile picture, aim for an image that's 100 by 100 pixels. I've already made mine in Canva, which is an awesome free tool. You can do the same or grab a cool image from sites like Pixabay or Pexels. As for your cover photo, it should be 2400 pixels wide by 600 pixels high. Again, I used Canva to resize an image I found on Pixabay. It's a quick and easy way to make your shop look professional. Next, fill in your profile details, add your first and last name. You can use your real name or a cool username as your display name. There are also options to show your age, city, or country, but that's totally up to you. Personally, I untick those because I like to keep some things private. I also recommend turning on the Bubble Mail feature, which is like your Redbubble email inbox. It allows customers or other artists to message you directly, a great way to connect with people who love your work. Don't forget to write a short bio about yourself. Let your personality shine here. It's a chance to tell your story and connect with potential buyers. As for email subscriptions, if you're new, it's a good idea to subscribe to the artists' and designers' newsletters. But if your inbox is already overflowing, you can untick those options. When it comes to the copyright section, Redbubble has already placed your shop name in the copyright name section and your shop URL in the copyright URL section. You'll also have the option to promote your products through off-site marketing. This is a cool feature where Redbubble automatically includes your products in ads across the web. It's a great way to get more eyes on your designs without doing any extra work. If you're interested, you can choose to promote your products on third-party sites through this option. Finally, you'll need to set up your image settings. You can choose whether to hide the Pin It button, which prevents others from pinning your work on Pinterest. There's also an option to show or hide mature contents. Once everything is set up, don't forget to click Save Changes to lock in all your settings. And that's it for today. You're now ready to start uploading your designs and making money on Redbubble. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to create designs that sell like hotcakes and how to market your shop effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Digital Dave, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. I've got tons more valuable content on Redbubble and the world of print on demand, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.